Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in today's session, I'm with you guys and we are very excited and we are going to learn about like next part of our application load balancer. So yesterday, what we did see, we have seen that we are able to successfully balance the load between two EC2 machine. Our applications are running on these two EC2 machines and we are able to uh, distribute the traffic between the two machines and our application load balancer were working perfect. So in today's session, we are going to learn about if how we can get access to these EC2 instance machine via only application load balancer. Like if we go to this EC2 instance and if we copy this public IP address of this machine, then we are able to see this see the response, the application which are running on this EC2 machine. Okay, so in today's session, 1 minute, let me copy the IP address of this machine as well. And one more thing, friend, let me comment and let me know are you comfortable with this English medium, or you wanted me to make the videos in Hindi so that we can understand the things properly. So friend, I am new to the YouTube channel and I know like most of the audience are from colleges, most of the audience are from the working background, or most of the friends are looking for new job. So let me know like what kind of language we can select for our channel so that I can make the content and deliver to you guys. So, and also, friends, as we know that we are just making the labs videos, and we are doing the hands-on practice. So if any one of you are willing to get into the IT industry, so most things are required here to do your practice, like to do your hands-on understanding. Nobody will care like how much knowledge you have or what kind of theory you have gone through. Everyone will be focused on your work. Like, are you able to comfortable really implement any kind of new solutions or not? So in this solution architect video, I am going to provide you the labs part. Okay, so slowly gradually we will also upload the videos on different tools that are being used in the IT industry nowadays. As a DevOps engineer, what all tools anyone can learn and what all kind of labs they can they can get into that so that they can get a better job. So our purpose is just doing the labs. So that's why I created this channel and I'm uploading the content to you guys. So let me know if you are okay with are you okay with English language, or are you comfortable with Hindi? So that from next time onwards, I will be creating the content in that language only. Okay, friends, let's get started. So this is my application load balancer, and I copy the DNS name of this application load balancer, and we were able to see that this load balancer is successfully uh, getting the traffic on our two machine. You can see this value is getting changes. Okay, you can see perfect, and you can also see that we are able to access this EC2 machine also publicly. So in this lab, let me show you. If we go to the security group of uh, this attached EC2 instance, so you can find that HTTP traffic is allowed. So let me go to the security group here, which is launch wizard 1. Okay, this is security group and this is the security group attached with our EC2 machine. So here in the inbound rule sections, you can see here this HTTP traffic, HTTP and HTTPS traffic both are allowed, and these are allowed for all sources. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to block this traffic, because of which we are able to access this EC2 machine application, and we will be allowing this traffic only via this application load balancer security group. So here you can see in this security group there is another security group which is my application load balancer security group. Okay, so we are not using this, we just created and we attach the security group to our load balancer, application load balancer. Okay, so let me go to the security group, this launch wizard one security group, and let me remove these two rules. Okay, both. uh, uh, Actually I have added this for some other application purpose, so this is not required right now. So let me remove both these two. So you can't directly like yeah, uh, change this security group and you have to delete this first and then you have to create another security group. So let me remove this. First go to this edit inbound rules. Delete and delete. Okay, add one more rule and allow the traffic of HTTP traffic. There is this HTTPS, this is HTTP traffic, and this source should be our application load balancer. You can select my IP, and here you can not my IP. Here you can find your ALB. Just type ALB, my ALB security group. So this HTTP will be only allowed via this security group. Okay, so chaining of security group is allowed in the security group sections. Okay, save rule. Now if you go and hit this URL, then you should not be able to access this uh, EC2 machine. You can see this is running and running. Okay, you are not getting any response. Okay, and if you go and hit this URL, then you are able to get the traffic. Okay, you can see this is changing, means you are able to access this EC2 machine via application load balancer only. Okay friends, and if you go and hit this, you are not getting any traffic. So this public IP of our EC2 machines are getting blocked and our traffic is only directed via our application load balancer. Okay, so this is the first part which I wanted to cover in this video, and the next part is the listener group. In the application load balancer, if you go here and you can see that listeners and rules, right? So all the HTTP, this application load balancer is listening the traffic. Listeners and rules means this application load balancer is listening the traffic at port 80 on protocol HTTP. Okay, and it is forwarding the traffic to these two EC2 machines of the target group. So this target group consists of two EC2 machines. Okay, so two rules are applicable. Let me go into that. So before proceeding further, let me show you one thing. If you go and type, paste this DNS URLs on your browser, you can see that you are getting the response from your EC2 machines. Okay, and if you change this path to error, okay, you are not getting any value, or you will get some other part. Okay, so this rule I have set, because of that we are getting this rule. Let me remove this rule so that I can show you from starting point. Okay, just ignore this part, I am just deleting this rule. Okay, delete rule, just type confirm. Perfect. Now if you give this application load balancer path forward slash uh, and then error, then you will be able to see not the requested URL was not found on this server. Perfect. So let me set a URL. If you go to this application load balancer, and if you go to this listeners and rule, so you can see this HTTP port 80, it is forwarding this traffic to my EC2 ALB target group. Okay, if you go to this, then you can like add some more rules. Okay, so here you will find the option of add rules. You can see here listener rules. Traffic received by the listener is routed according to the default action, and any additional rules are evaluated in priority order from the lowest value to the highest value. Okay, so you can create any new rule. Just click on add rule, go to the add rule section, and you can give any name to your rule. You can see demo ALB rule first. Okay, demo ALB is fine. Any name you can give as per your requirement. You have to like provide some kind of conditions here, like what conditions you are going to apply on your traffic, like condition 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on the basis of that condition, your traffic will be routed to different servers, and your application load balancer will be listen and follow that condition. So you also have to add a condition into this rule. You have to add the condition, and you have to select different kind of condition here. You can read if you want it to be, but yeah, but in this session I'm just going to selecting a rule here. Okay, so you have to select some kind of path, or you wanted to set some kind of hosted headers, or if you wanted to set some kind of source IP, then you can select as per your requirement. You can apply the conditions in this rule. So for our lab purpose, we are going to select a path, and this path value we are providing this here as an error. Okay, as an error. So anything you can type. You can say testing, you can say anything, anything. So our purpose is to give the error of this page, because we are saying this is not found, the requested URL is not found on this server. Okay, so we have to give the path value. You can read here. Okay, this should be like, for example, slash forward slash item slash dot cache sensitive. Okay, so you can confirm this. So we are going to confirm this path value. Okay, slash error confirm. So our condition has been applied. Go to the next. Okay, so now this path, like this forward slash error, you have applied here, like in the in this URL. So what value you wanted to show on your server if you type this path? Okay, so for this purpose, it is asking routing the action types. What actions, if it is listening this HTTP port, it is listening at this path like slash error, then what should action you want it to be notified to your end users? Okay, so to our end users, we are not going to forward the target group. If you want it, then you can action, you can forward this to any target group. You can select the target group from here. Okay, so we are not going to pass this into any target group. Okay, so what we are going to do next action item is redirect to the URL. Redirect to the URL. If you wanted to be like proceed this error into any particular URL, then you can provide that URL, and your this path will be redirected your end users to this URL. Okay, in this URL you can select the protocol as per your requirement, HTTP or HTTPS, and the port number, and you can set the URL into this error path. But here in our lab, we are going to return a fixed response. Like if uh, anyone is going to this path slash forward slash error path, then they will getting a response of 404, and response body we can provide a big error, and this is not correct path. Okay, please see for the please look, please type the correct path. Okay, and go and hit on next. Now it is asking for this demo rule ARB priority. So priority is what? If your application load balancer is listening at different kind of rules, like so many rules are here, so what kind of priority you are going to provide this demo rule ARB, this rule? Okay, so this priority you can select 1 to 500 on as per your priority. This path will going to work. So first one is the default path, which is forwarding our traffic to this target ARB, and the uh, second rule is the path URL. If any path, if anyone is typing this forward slash an error, then they will getting this response error. this is the response body, this error, and this ARN is pending because we haven't provided it, we haven't created it yet, and we are not providing any priority. So priority, like suppose some 200 rules are here, or 5 or 10 rules are here, or 100 rules are here. On the basis of that rules, what priority you are going to provide to your rules. Okay, as per your priority, it will this application load balancer will be going to forward the traffic, pass the traffic. Okay, so we are going to select here as 5 or 6 or 7, anything, because there is only 2 rules. If we will give them 1, that is also fine. If we will give them 5, that is also fine. So we put here as 6 and hit on next. Okay, create. So this rule gets created. If you go to this page and refresh this page, just refresh, it will take some time. Okay, perfect. So we are getting this error. This is not correct. Please type the correct path, because we select here /error. Okay, we provided the path, and our application load balancer is listening at this path. If we remove this /error path, then we will be getting the response from our this EC2 machine. My internet is slow, because of that it is not responding. You can see here, right? It is changing. Okay, it's listening, and if we can provide this error path, because of some stickiness, we are getting this kind of delay. So that I will be going to cover in our coming videos. Okay, sticky session, we can see here, right? We are getting this error path. So that is it for this session, friend. Thank you for watching this video, and please provide your support and comments, and please, like, just to motivate me, because I am a very beginner to this YouTube channel, and I'm trying to, like, deliver you good content of different kind of practice labs. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my videos. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Happy learning. Enjoy.